Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today, the topic for discussion is leadership skills. The topic is leadership skills. On leadership, I have already given 4 lectures in this series. But this is one more lecture on leadership skills, but I have compressed many important things into this lecture. That is why I am giving one more lecture on leadership skills. Leadership is very important in life, in human life. The difference between a boss and a leader. What is the difference between a boss and a leader? When there is a catastrophe, when there is a problem, leader says how to do. But the boss says what to do. That is the difference between boss and leader. Leader says how to do. Boss says what to do. That is the difference between boss and leader. All of you to become leaders. Not necessarily political leaders. You can become educational leaders, tech leaders. You can become leader in any field you are working. Okay, be a leader in life, not just boss. There are 2 kinds of leaders. 2 kinds of leaders are there. One type dominates, drives and demands. One type of leadership is dominating, driving and demanding. The second type of leadership inspires their followers to action while enriching their lives and developing their personalities. Be the second type of leader. Okay? You have to become a second type of leader. You have to motivate people. I am giving now leadership qualities. Let me give you leadership qualities. Number 1, be enthusiastic. Number 2, be eager to learn. Number 3, enrich the lives of others. Number 4, develop a sense of humor. Number 5, develop dependability. Number 6, don't overreach. Overreach means reaching out too far. Don't overreach. Number 7, share praise, but shoulder blame. If there is a praise, share it. If there is a blame, you own yourself. Shoulder the blame, share the praise. Number 8, never ridicule, nag or shout at anyone. Never ridicule, never nag, never harass. Nag means harass or shout at anyone. Number 9, make a few promises and keep them. Number 10, work for a cause. These are the 10 qualities of a leader. Leader smiles and the world smiles with him. Leader smiles, the world smiles with him. But laughs when the world laughs at him. If you are too old to learn, you too old to live, and certainly too old to lead. Many people don't learn after the age of 25. They don't want to learn anything new after that age. After 25, people don't want to learn. There are some people I have seen. Leader gives credit to those who have helped him. Listen the story I am narrating now. The story. There is one fellow by name this Erramseti Valeswar Rao is simply called Wali, a tailor in Vijayawada, a top film hero, Telugu film hero, by name Mr. N.T. Ramarao, used to stay in a hotel by name Nataraj Hotel nearby his tailoring shop every now and then. With great difficulty, Wali could see N.T. Ramarao with the help of a famous personality. Within 2 minutes, Mr. Wali could read the body language and the measurements of that film matinee idol. He came out of the room and stitched one safari suit and presented to N.T. Ramarao on his next trip with great difficulty. N.T. Ramarao asked, "What is this? Are you competent to stitch clothes for me?" With folded hands, Wali requested to accept that suit. Reluctantly, NTR replied, "Leave it there and take exit." Once NTR is back to Madras, one day when he was trying to wear a dress, he found this safari suit. He casually tried it. To his astonishment, he found that the suit could fit to his body in a perfect way. Then what happened? He instructed his secretary to call Wali to Madras. Wali reached Madras and NTR told him, "Tomorrow go to Bombay and do the necessary thing. My secretary will give you necessary instructions." Along with the secretary, Wali went to Bombay and purchased costly suit lengths, and they were back to Madras. From that time onwards, Wali became NTR's personal tailor. NTR instructed the film producers to screen Wali tailors, Valeswar Rao, as a single card on the silver screen. See how it is, the success it is, the leadership it is. By this story, you understand leaders give credit to his people. Okay? Leaders train their people to become reliable and responsible. They help them to develop their personality by delegating important tasks to them and help them to shine. This way, leaders win the loyalty of their followers and attract new ones to their side. This rule I have written for the politicians. Politicians should accept the suggestions of their followers and praise them when good. Leaders should not think that they are superior. Nagging gets them nowhere. When a section of followers of a leader offended, he has to sit with the offending party and find out the reason for low output or persistent indifference. Leaders never shout. They give orders with firmness and decision. No one values an employee who has to be reminded several times to do a thing and then kept an eye on to see that the work is done right and on schedule. Mr. Ponapareddy Hariprasad found such a person in the newsroom and he reminded him several times of the forgotten things, and finally he showed him the door. One of his employees he found reminding, forgetting. What to do? When you are asked to hold the book for some time, you have to hold like this only. Like this. Why? Why you do that? With both hands you do it. Why you don't do? That means when you are given any task, you have to do it properly. We judge others by their actions and ourselves by our ideals. Don't scold your servant. If she is that good, she would not have become your servant. That is why I suggest that don't overreach on your subordinates. Don't go too far on your subordinates. That means don't watch when they go to bathroom or when they are attending to their personal needs. Don't observe like that. Don't observe. Leaders should always keep their promises. If a leader cannot do some job, he can use non-committal phrases as I will see what can be done, or the time is too short but I will do my best. These are the sentences leaders have to use when they are not able to do some job. A promise once given must be kept. Don't work for money or for people or for anything else but for a cause. God rewards the effort, not the result. Dear leaders, do your best and let God do the rest. Leaders, do your best. Let the God do the rest. Let leaders serve the community. Let leaders serve the society. Leaders will get excellent training for leadership while serving the country. Public service is not the sole responsibility of the civic officials. That is why many political parties are surfaced, arousing interest in civic responsibilities. The voters also intelligently scrutinize the list of candidates and their agenda and vote for the suitable candidates. For a leader, my suggestion is make your point and sit down. That is the surest way to popularity and success as a speaker. Love your neighbor as yourself. Leadership starts with community service. So, rise as a leader. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.